Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Oceania Cruise experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Oceania Vista. This suite is one of the penthouses here on board. It's a stunning suite and of course an incredible amount of space with so many inclusions that our guests love. Now I'm going to take you through the space here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an incredible relationship with Oceania, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now you can already see that you have a beautiful amount of space and wonderful upgrades in the suite itself, but your experience is going to start even before you arrive here on board. Your Harr Travel advisor is going to guide you through the process step by step to make sure that you get the very best value for your cruise money. You'll have early access to the online reservations. Now keep in mind, Oceania's tagline, the finest cuisine at sea, is much more than that. They deliver each and every single time. I know I've enjoyed it here on board, and I can't wait to come back time and time again. The delicious specialty restaurants, the incredible grand dining room, the new restaurant experiences here on board, and of course, the room service, you can find the perfect delicious option for you. You're also going to have early access to other reservations. You'll be able to board the ship earlier access to the suite itself. And then of course, you'll meet your butler and they will take care of you from start to finish. They can pack and unpack for you, coordinate shoreside and on-ship dining reservations. They can even prepare your course-by-course in-suite dining. Now there's too many inclusions to list them all. Of course, you can see that down below and your Harr Travel advisor will take you through that. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, to the one side, you're going to find a large walk-in closet area. Now, this particular suite does have an adjoining door there. If not, it would have a mirror. And I do love the idea that they have that. Maybe your friends traveling together or traveling with your family. Of course, we can coordinate that, but you want to book very early if you want that adjoining cabin. Now, as we open this up, you can see there's a ton of hanging storage all the way across, down below as well. You've got drawers for storage. You'll find that you have a full laptop size safe. And being that you're in one of the suites, you're also going to get some laundry inclusions and complimentary pressing and shoe shine. On the other side, you'll find more storage. So you've got hanging storage all the way across here, the golf umbrella you can utilize throughout your voyage, the cashmere throw up above, and those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers. Now you're going to be able to access the Aquamar Spa Terrace. It's a beautiful space. You're going to find it on our full ship tour if you want to see that. And you're also going to have access to the keycard only executive lounge. There you'll find the executive concierge. They're going to work with your butler to take care of all the details throughout your cruise. Now as we step into the large bathroom, you can really see that it's a beautiful space. You've got a ton of storage here with a really nice large countertop. You've got storage with the shelves down below with all of the drawers. You've got backlit mirrors on either side and highly upgraded bath amenities. In this case, you'll find the Bulgari bath amenities and those wonderful Acqua di Parma. We're in Italy today, and I think it's a wonderful compliment. Now, as we step into the shower, you can see it's a really nice large space. I'm 6'6". I do fit just fine in here. You've got a large rainfall shower head up above. You've got a step to shave. You're also going to have an adjustable shower wand here and a clothesline that'll pull across and a nook tucked just behind for all of those bath amenities. Now, as we step back into the main part of the room, you can see the space really opens up. You've got your full king-size bed here. It's that incredible Oceania Tranquility bed. It's one of the best night's sleep I've ever had in my entire life. Highly upgraded pillows, linens, and of course the mattress. There's plenty of space underneath where you can tuck your large bags away, and they can split it apart into two twins if that's your preference. Just let your Harr Travel advisor know. You've got the bench seat at the foot of the bed where you can get ready. And then on either side, you've got nightstands. Now this ship does some incredible trips all around the world. And when you have a longer cruise, it's really nice to have a residential style space like this where you can tuck things away. On either side of the bed, you're going to have directional reading lights so you don't disturb your partner. You'll also find on either side of the bed, you have a US plug, a USB, and a USB-C charger so you can charge your device overnight. Directly across, you're going to find a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television and their collection of movies on demand. Down below, you've got quite a bit of space here with all the drawers. You'll find that you have a magnifying mirror there that's backlit. You also have two more US plugs, another European plug, 2 more USB chargers and USB-C chargers. Now you've got a large backlit mirror here where you can sit and get ready. There's a mini fridge tucked in the corner. Now keep in mind, Oceania always includes sodas, water. They're also going to include specialty coffees and teas. The Ely Barista's coffee bar on board is one of my favorites. And of course, your butler can arrange to have that delivered right here to your suite. Now they'll provide complimentary water from Vero water they'll replenish throughout your stay, still or sparkling. They'll also provide complimentary water bottles so you can take those with you as you head out around the incredible ports or here on the ship, and there's stations where you can refill. Now as we head further in, you've got a nice full-size sofa here, coffee table just in the middle. You'll have bubbly upon ice awaiting your arrival. You've got a nice reading chair, and then you'll see that you have a full dining room table. As I mentioned earlier, you can have course-by-course dining right here in your suite arranged by your butler from specialty restaurants or from the delicious grand dining room. In addition, you can also have some late night snacks from the room service menu. Tucked in the corner, there's a bit more storage here with the drawers. You'll also find another USB, USB-C, and US and European plugs. Now I love the size of the veranda as well. Let's head out and check that out. Now we're out on your private veranda. You've got 2 comfy chairs in addition to a nice large table here. Of course, you can have that course-by-course dining right here on your veranda, or it's a perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. There's just something magical about having that fresh ocean air as you sail in and out of the incredible ports that this ship visits. And of course, when you're ready to book your next cruise on the Oceania Vista or any cruise with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an incredible relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.